Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will review this SENuke TNG Pro SEO automation software. I have already reviewed Money Robber Submitter software. If you haven't watched it, please do it. The link is in description because I want to compare some of the features with this software. Obviously every software has its own uniqueness, so I want to review it thorough about this software. Before jumping onto this software, let me tell you I have tested this software like 2 or 3 months and I've received a great results on network of my websites. So I want to give you a review of inside and out, and I've also shared screenshot of my websites etc. in description. So let's, before jumping onto the interface of the software, let's browse this software's website and let's see what they have to offer. So these are the features they have stated, like crowd searcher. It also simulates thousands of people searching for your keyword on Google. It's really a good feature in this software. Built-in proxies, you don't have to buy like public or private proxies. It also has like 10,000 100k proxies built in, so you don't have to buy extra or spend extra on it. If you have, you can also integrate it with this software. There is no problem in that. Blog network module, if you have private blog network, you can manage it straight from this software. You can integrate it and manage it. Built-in OCR, optical character recognition, also solves 50% of the captchas automatically, but you really need to capture services or other services, captcha services, to solve like advanced Google or etc. captcha to keep it fully automated. Loop mode, create a campaign and leave it, and it will continuously on loop mode. These are the turbo wizard, we will discuss it later step by step. Yes, easy to use interface. I really don't agree with it, but yeah, if you watch this video you will find it easy. But if you are actually, I have bought this software and I've played around it like 2 or 3 days to actually get it what this is all about. But if you watch this video, it will be very easy. Doing local SEO, yes, it does have a Google Places module which helps you to increase your web presence in your local areas. Powerful macro recorder, yeah. Promotion strategy mapper. So these are the main features are this. Unlimited OCR captcha solving, but yeah, it does need 2 captcha services. 1000 plus prime proxies, yes it does. Yes, it does include 100k crowd search proxies to increase your web page rank. The next is email addresses for account creation. Yes, it does include this feature. Next is indexing. They said we ensure 100% of links are crawled by Google. Yes, it does say crawled by Google, but it doesn't give you any guarantee to be indexed by Google. So it does include 100 links per day as per the software interface. I will tell you later, I will notify you later. But if you want to use the paid services, you can go opt for that if you are not satisfied with the 100 links per day, but that will be enough. But if you want to, if you have like network of websites, then you need to buy a paid services like backlink indexer, indexinject.com. So you can also index from that website, but I will suggest you to use indexinject.com. So this is all about, these are the features. But let's jump on the interface of this software. This is the interface of the software. This is a already created campaign by me. This is my website, which is for my campaign. So these are the links being generated by this software. So these are the menus, these are the interface. Let me take you to the options panel. Here are the options panel, but you don't need to edit anything in general, but you need to add your access ID and secret key in of Moz. You need to log into your accounts, go to your account settings and copy this access ID and secret key accordingly. Then click on proxies. You don't need to add or edit or anything here. Just click on captcha services. If you want to add your own proxies, if you want to add your custom made proxies, public or private or whatever, then click on custom proxies and add proxy list here. So I don't want to add anything extra, and I suggest you not, because they have their inbuilt proxies which are fast and really good for this software. Next is capture service. Yes, you need capture services, because the default capture services they use is for like, they does work for like 50% of the backlinks. Then you need to buy two capture services, which is efficient, effective, and cheaper as compared to others like death by capture. They are very, what can I say, like costly, and yeah, they all also effective, but I will suggest you to choose two capture services which are there for like ages. So just click your API key here and check your captcha balance. So moving on to the email, you don't need to add or edit anything here. Database, yes, I like this feature of this. Like you have completed any campaigns of your own, and you are crash your, like, yeah, lost your data or crash your computer, corrupted your data, etc. But you can download your backup from here. But I suggest you to use backup database now each and every time. It does do it automatically, but here are the options for automatic. But you need to backup every database every day. But I suggest you to do this, so you can download anywhere, anytime, any PC or any computer. So next is spinner. Like I said earlier, like this, it does include free spinner services, but it also have limitation like 50 requests per day per license. But I suggest you to buy any other. If you have like network or website and you need to process like 50 to 60 requests per day, then you have to buy Word AI is best among all. But you can also buy Spin Rewriter, the best spinner, etc. But I suggest you to stick on to the free spinner services. You don't need to buy any extra services. But content sources, yes, you need to buy any paid content sources to look your backlinks real and authentic as per the Google. This software does include the free easy spinner, but it is not that effective as compared to the paid ones. So I have bought this content machine. It's cheaper, it's effective as compared to others, and includes tons of articles. So here are the API keys you need to enter, and here are the campaigns I have created. So you can also update from here, but you don't need to add or edit, and just click and paste your API keys. So indexer, as I told you, this includes 100 URLs per day, but if you want to index faster and higher, then you need to buy these services. But if you want to go cheaper side, then use indexinject.com and paste links from here to there for the faster indexing. Here the license, here the notification, here is the article manager, etc. You don't need to add or edit anything. So here are the links built by the software. But let me tell you, this is the best software. This include everything. Crowd searcher, here are the crowd searcher, the features mentioned on their website. So here two of max 20 searches per day have been created, and time spent on site is 120 to 150 seconds. And this does notify the search engines like Google, Bing, Yandex, etc. to, like, users are really pinging on your website, users are really actively participating in your website. It's really a good feature if you want to add edit. So now let's focus on creating a campaign with this software. Click on the wizard. Now if you want to build your content from free sources, then you need to skip this step, because I want to tell you how to integrate paid sources of content, like content machine I have bought, like I told you earlier, with this software, so that your blog post will look more natural, your backlinks will build more authentically. So moving on to the content machine, here is a content machine software interface of content machine software. Here I have created a campaign name, just a demo for the demonstration purposes. So here you need to enter your campaign name, like I've entered my webby.com, Next is main keyword, like the keyword you want to rank higher in Google pages or any search engine consoles. So main keywords will be here, second keywords will be here, third keyword will be here. So I used all three for the demonstration purposes. If you want to add only one, you can add that. If you add second one, you can add that, or third, etc., and so on. So content quality, if you want to build high quality content, then choose tier 1. If you want to add lower quality, and the features are given here: content quality tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. Here it is, here it is. So I have selected tier 1 because it's of the top quality. If you choose word face spinning, only the best settings for the selected API will be used. So spinner here, KM spinner I have used. If you want to use any spinner, you can use it. The best part of the content machine is included Sound spinner, so you don't need to buy any other content spinners. So now just image, video, link. If you want to add a video, you can also add here just a video. Click on just the video. If you want to add your own video, like you want to rank higher your YouTube pages, then add your own content. Click on video, own, click on own videos. You know, paste your YouTube URL here. It will embed automatically into the post. So I don't want to add any video, so just an image. Now article tweaks, bookmark tweaks. If you want to do any tweak settings, you can do it. So click on next. Now if you want to add 2 or more contextual links, it's up to you, but I suggest you to use only one. And article body links, resource box links, active image links. If you want to add image links to an image, you can add also there. So here the active keywords I have entered like this. These are the keywords. So okay, so afterwards you need to click on the build content. It will content build. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. Then send it to cloud. Why send it to cloud? Because you need to integrate these content sources with the SENuke software. So I will tell you why afterwards. So after it update your cloud, then click on close, just minimize it. Now let's build our campaign. So project linking is like a diagram. Here it includes everything like PDF, article directly, forum files, social network, web 2.0 profiles, etc. So if you don't know anything about it, just for a demonstration purposes, you need to play around with it from time to time. You can also drag and drop anything here, but for the demonstration purposes, let me choose all in one and one for all diagram. So it includes everything from pinger, press release to social network, etc. Now click on next. Now give a campaign name, like I'm giving a campaign name. So if you want to number of profiles, like you want to create 2 or 3, you can choose it, but you have to click on the suggest. Default setting will be says 1, so 1. Primary keywords, it recommend to 1 to 5, but I will say don't use more than 3. Let's write it down. SEO services, SEO backlinks by backlinks. Let's generate everything here. Generate from the primary keyword. These are the secondary keywords. So it will be generated automatically. Now click on the primary URLs, HTTP. This is for demonstration, but if you want to add other links too, you can add it here. Generic keywords, you need to add generic keywords to look blog post more authentic, more real. Then you need to add generic keywords like click here, here, linked here, read more here, etc. Why you need to add these generic? Because if Google ping your pages, if Google tests your pages, then it need to be look like more real blog page, not just building backlink like day by day and etc. Then it will flag your website, it will punish your website. So now do focus on this. the primary keyword percentage is 100%. It means you are utilizing all the links of 3 keywords here 100%, but you don't need to be a 100% because it's a primary keyword. You don't want to be flagged by Google, so percentage should be lower. Like, percentage should be divided between secondary keywords, primary keywords, and generic keywords. So primary keywords should be at most 50%. So let's do it like 50%. Now secondary keyword, I will say like 20%, generic keywords 30%. Now it will look more real blog post, so it will turn like 50%. You don't need to add anything here and there, but if you want to add more generic keywords, you can do it, but I'm just doing for a demonstration purpose, so I don't need to. Next, auto generate. So these are the profile settings. Before going to the profile settings, let me tell you what do you need to do. Go to the article manager. Now create sub niche group, then SEO services by clicking on new sub niche group, then create one more sub niche group, then create article group, article settings, right? So what I have done here, you need to click on add new resources, right? Click on the content machine, the article you have created, but you also can use your free articles if you don't want to use that. So content machine we have created from there. Here it is, like selected campaigns we have uploaded to cloud, and it will automatically download from that cloud by SENuke TNG. But if you don't see your campaign here, then you need to update the campaign list. It will update it here. So here it is. Now you generate the titles from the keyword, like whatever you want to do, SEO services, etc. Here it is. Add name and bio if you want to add it. Here the preview sample, spin preview, enter the keyword. Now spin preview. Here it is. Your article will look like that, right? So click on save. Content sources will be saved. So in this section, it's set it insert one random links. It should be at the default. If you want to change anything, change. Do not insert, but I will suggest you to insert one random links because it will look more original article. It like a handwritten article. So I suggest you to use at least one random links. Next will be, if you want to use any article images randomly, click on this. If you want to generate images from the keywords, just download, click on the download keywords based on gen. So I have selected SEO, click on OK. The images will be displayed here, the links will be displayed here. So this is the content sources. These are the words not to be changed. If you don't want to change any words by the spinner, so you can write it here. So preview article will be like this. So this is your preview article created by this software. So now click on the Webby, your niche group, click on the new bookmarking content. So bookmark content will be like this. Click on add new sources, click on the content machine, it has your own bookmarking. Click on your campaign list, download content from there, and do the same thing we have done for article group services. Then click on the save. So here it is. You don't need to change anything here. Click on preview. Here it is, right? Now click on save. Article group will be saved. Now your tier 1 settings will be saved. If you want to add tier 2 articles, tier 3 articles, you can do it separately. But if you want to add only tier 1 services, then this will be tier 1 services, tier 1 article services, article sources, right? Now minimize it or cancel it, whatever you want. Now coming back to the campaign wizard, right? Now click on the auto generate user profile settings. It will auto generate the user profile. So this will be a first name and last name, etc. These are the spinner settings. You don't need to edit anything. If you want to edit anything like password, etc., you can do it, but I don't suggest you to do it there. So these are the tags will be generated from the primary keywords. So click on the generate from the primary keywords, so this will be generated, right? Now these are the subdomain services. Like if you want to create a tier 1 blog services, it will be created automatically. Now company name, if you want to add it is optional. So I have added webby.com. So profile picture, if you want to add it, it's your choice. Now category keywords, if you want to add your own categories here, or auto select categories here, right? I selected auto categories for your demonstration purpose. Now click on list. So if you have generated single use article, you can use it from here, but we have done from the article manager, right? This we have done by us. So tier 1 article group will be selected by Webby, right? Just select this, it will be selected. Bookmark article group, select this. So here you goes. If you want to add tier 2 article group also, you can also use the same. So I am using the same, right? So now click on next. So these are the schedule settings. When you want to start, it will be your local time. You can start from here. Also the spread submission over how many days. If you want to spread as far as you can, it will be 1 day, right? But I suggest to use the suggest option. It will be best for you. Days to recommend your selected project like 7. This has been recommended to revert the value, right? So I will do one for the demonstration purposes. So if you want to set submission limits per module, you can do it. Loop setting, if you want to continue running it again and again, you can do it also there, but I don't want to use this. But you can also do it like here, run campaign, etc. Now click on the new create new account each time and use high authority count method, right? Every time you want to use it, will create the unique new accounts for every blogs, for every backlinks you created. So click on the next. So it says ready to export. Here is the last step you have done. Finish. Now these will be the process will be created by it. Give it a second. Here the creating AC projects. Here the processing starts. Here the backend process is also start. Population project. So click on finish. So it will be added here. It will be started according to the given time, right? Like this. Then afterwards it will be completed like this. These are the links. It will be created. So this is all about this software. It's very unique. It has its own features. It has added many features like crowd searcher, etc. It has its own spinner. It has its own free content sources also. It also provides inbuilt proxies, etc. It's really effective. So if you want to buy this software, please buy it. It really useful for your every SEO needs. If you want to rank higher from a particular keyword or etc., you can do it by this software. It's really automated. It includes everything you want, but yes, it is costly as compared to the others, but it does the job perfectly. It doesn't need any your ISP resources or your RAM sources, etc. It's really lightweight. It's really a positive part of the software. So if you want to buy this software, I recommend you to buy this over any other software because it includes everything you want, from straight from the proxy, straight from the indexer, etc. to high moz rank websites where you have built links, etc. So these are the features review from my side. So if you like this, please hit a like button, or you can buy from the links in the description. It will give you some discount, so $20 discount. So if you like the video, give a thumbs up, subscribe for more reviews. If you want me to review any other software, I will buy it for you and review it here. So thank you for watching and keep supporting.